Hi, everyone. I'm Elise Rumpf. I'm a research geologist at the USGS Astrogeology Science Center, and I'm also project manager for the Planets Project. Today, I'm here with Ryan Anderson.
Hi, everyone. I'm Ryan. I'm an astronomer and physical scientist at the USGS Astrogeology Science Center, and I work on the Mars rovers Curiosity and Perseverance.
Awesome. Well, thanks for being here, Ryan. I asked you here today because we got a question on our website, and the question is, why is there more water further out from the sun in our solar system than there is close to the sun? What do you know about this?
Yeah, so this has to do with the way that a solar system forms. So our solar system formed as a swirling cloud of gas and dust around the sun billions of years ago. And to form a planet or a moon, you need to have solid particles that stick together to form a larger and larger object. So when you're close to the sun, it's too hot, and that the water vapor stays as vapor. It doesn't turn into ice. And you can't make a snowball out of vapor. So all the water in the solar system condensed out farther from the sun where it was cold enough to become ice and then form a big snowball.
Oh, interesting. That makes a lot of sense. But then what about liquid water? We have a lot of liquid water here on Earth, and we do on other planets and moons too.
Yeah, so liquid water is actually kind of unusual in the universe because out in space, there's no atmospheric pressure. And when you warm up ice, it goes straight from solid to a gas. But here on the Earth, where there's atmospheric pressure, or on some of the moons of the solar system where the water is buried deep under the surface, there's enough pressure that when you warm up the ice, it can be a liquid before it turns into a gas. The pressure sort of holds it together and allows it to stay liquid.
Wow, cool. So also, the Earth is pretty close to the sun. So how do we have water here on Earth?
That's a very good question, and scientists are actually still debating that question. It's possible that even though it's easier to form snowballs out in the outer solar system, there was enough water vapor around when the Earth formed that some of it got trapped in the rocks of the Earth. Another leading theory is that later in the process, as the solar system was partially formed, some of those asteroids and comets from the outer solar system came into the inner solar system and crashed into the early Earth, and they deposited their water on the otherwise dry early Earth.
Interesting. Well, cool. Thanks for sharing with us, Ryan. It was nice having you here.
Yeah, it's fun to be here.
And everyone, thanks for watching. If you have any more questions for our planetary scientists or want to learn more about water in the solar system, go to the planet's website or visit our social media. Thank you.